All right.
Now, what's that?
It's flour.
Flour.
What are you doing?
I'm making pancakes.
Okay, good.
1,
2,
good, here. 2.
3.
What else do we need? Milk.
Milk.
And
What else?
What's this?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. 1. And
What else do you need?
what's this? Cinnamon. Some milk.
1, 2. Yeah.
Yeah. And an egg.
Egg.
There. Now, what's the secret ingredient?
Honey.
Honey.
I some honey.
In a second.
The honey's for the pancakes, Edie.
I like eating.
You like eating honey? There you go. Now you're supposed to be helping me stir, aren't you?
Edie, stir the pancakes.
And nice. Now you stir.
You'll stir the pancakes, please. Edie, are you a little baby?
No.
Are you a big girl?
No.
Then what are you?
I did eat pop.
Oh, yeah. Are you going to stir the pancakes for Mummy? Come on. Hey, you going to stir the pancakes? Look, you're such a honey fiend. Come on. Stir the pancakes.
More honey, Mummy.
You're gonna have honey on your pancakes. Wait till I make them.
Hey, you going to stir the pancakes?
More, please.
Wait a second. Here, use your honey spoon. Now. There you go. Might help your cough.
Do you like honey?
More, please.
What? You're not finished that already, are you? Right, one more, and then we'll cook the pancakes.
Edie, you going to stir the pancakes?
That was your one job.
Come on.
Okay.
Now, stir them. Good girl. Oh, good girl. You're actually better than Daddy, aren't you?
Okay.
What, darling?
I'm stirring.
Good girl. Now we tidy up.
Yeah.
Now, where's that cinnamon?
This.
What is it?
This.
You want to smell?
No.
Is that lovely smell?